This video will guide you on how to create an account in our software, Cargolog Connect, which is currently used with our product, Cargolog 3rd Gen, assigning an administrator and managing users and licenses. To create an account, visit the Mobitron website online.mobitron.com or download the software to your PC and launch the application. Please note that a company account only needs to be created once per company. If you are unsure whether your company already has an account, please contact us at Mobitron. If your company already has a company account, you should instead contact the account administrator, who can add you as a user to the existing company account. Start by clicking Create Account and filling in the required details displayed on the screen. Once the details are entered, click Next and fill in your company information, including the organization number. After completing the setup, you'll see the dashboard. Initially, the menus will be limited because no license key is assigned to this user yet. If your company has already purchased a license from Mobitron, it will be uploaded to your company account shortly. If you haven't purchased a license before, you need to proceed and buy a license under Licenses. If you need access to the license immediately, please contact Mobitron to expedite the process. To unlock all features, you'll need to purchase a license. This can be done by clicking Buy Licenses in the Admin menu. You will see different license types such as Admin, Free, Premium, and Program and Activate. The prices are displayed and you can choose to view them in your preferred currency. For example, you can change the currency to Euros, and all prices will update accordingly. Licenses are available for 3, 6, or 12 months. In this case, let's select 12 months. You can also view the details of what you are buying by clicking on Click for Details. We will now select 12-month premium license in this case. After selecting your license, click Add to Cart. You can also add other license types to your cart. For example, let's add 5 free licenses to the cart. Once you're done, click Proceed to Checkout. At checkout, you can pay with a credit card for instant activation or select Pay by Invoice. If you choose the invoice option, you will need to wait for Mobitron to approve the payment. For first-time purchases, you'll need to enter your personal details. Once completed, click Save Changes and submit your order. You will receive an order number that you can enter in the Purchase Order Number field. Here, the customer should document their order number so Mobitron can link the invoice to it. Once the purchase is complete and the license is available in the program, go to the Users menu. A license becomes available once it is paid. In the Users menu, you can assign licenses to a user by clicking on Add a License. Here, you can see the first user created during the setup, who is automatically assigned the base admin license to manage the company. To assign a license, click on Add a License. This will display a list of all available licenses. If you have purchased multiple licenses, such as 5 free licenses and 1 premium license in this case, you will see them listed here. Select the premium license to grant the user access to all menus and features available in Cargolog Connect. All users in the same company account share access to information if their license grants permission. The license determines which features and data the user can access. To assign a license to another user, go to the Users menu, click Create User, and fill in the details. All users added to the company will have access to shared data logs under My Devices and projects under Projects, provided they have the correct license. Adding multiple users improves collaboration, as licenses can be transferred between users and everyone has access to the same data. To manage licenses, go to the Licenses menu. Here you'll see all licenses, their costs, expiration dates, and which users they are assigned to. Licenses can also be canceled if necessary. I can also view which license types are assigned to users, and by hovering over the symbol, I can see which user the license is assigned to. Under Actions, you can cancel a subscription or extend subscriptions with a time limit. In the Orders section, you can review all purchases and export them as PDFs for your records. You have created a company account for Cargolog Connect. For more help, visit our support center.